Child's surprise birthday party. Mother is very excited early in the morning. She goes to the market and buys things needed for the party. All of the things needed are listed in her note to budget the money. Mother assures the good quality of the products that she buys for the safety of her family. She buys one whole chicken. What are the health benefits of eating chicken? Chicken contains nutrients linked with wood. Chicken provides vitamins and minerals involved in brain function. Chicken is easy to eat. Chicken builds muscle. Chicken strengthens bones. Chicken promotes heart health. Chicken aids in loss. One kilogram pork. Pork is a good source of protein, niacin, vitamins B6 and B12, iron, and zinc. 2 kg of bacon. 1 whole cabbage. Cabbage is packed with nutrients. It may help keep inflammation in check. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C. It helps improve digestion. May help keep your heart healthy. May lower blood pressure. Could help lower cholesterol levels. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin K. 1/2 kilogram carrots. 10 health benefits of carrots. Improves skin, improves digestion, improves kidney function, reduces incidence of stroke, maintains a healthy heart, improves liver function, antibacterial and viral, great for eye health, healthy teeth, anti-cancer. 1/2 kilogram Baguio beans. Green beans are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Green beans contain many essential vitamins, including folate. 1 cup of raw green beans contains 33 micrograms of folate, almost 10% of the daily recommended value. Folate is a B vitamin that helps prevent natural tube defects. She also buys condiments like soy sauce, black pepper, salt. Benefits of sea salt: repairs skin cells, exfoliates skin, prevents acne, sleep inducer, benefits hair health, promotes dental health, relieves muscle cramps, reduces puffiness under eyes. Mother goes to the fruit stand to buy fruits like apples. Benefits of apple for skin: brighten skin, reduce sign of aging, offers UV protection, hydrates skin, treat acne and dark spots, reduce dark circles. Banana. 11 evidence based on health benefits of bananas. Bananas contain many important nutrients. Bananas contain nutrients that modern blood sugar levels. Bananas may improve digestive health. Bananas may aid weight loss. Bananas may support heart health. Orange. Vitamin C in orange helps your body in lots of ways. Protects your cells from damage, helps your body make collagen, a protein that heals wounds and gives you a smoother skin, makes it easier to absorb iron to fight anemia. Grapes. Grapes packed with nutrients, especially vitamin C and K. High antioxidants contents may prevent chronic diseases. Plant compounds may protect against certain types of cancer, beneficial for heart health in various impressive ways. Lastly, she buys utensils like the plastic spoon, fork, cups, and paper plates. Then she decides to go home. At home, while she's preparing for food, Father arrived with a big and round cake bought from Goldilocks and colorful balloons. These are yellow, red, blue, green, and orange balloons. Richard's older sister and brother are secretly making birthday cards for him. They also put some decorations in their home, and the food such as fried chicken, pork adobo, pancit, and cake decorations gifts were all prepared and ready. Sister goes to Richard's room to tell him to go out. Richard has no idea because he is busy in his online class. While he is approaching to the kitchen, his father, mother, brother, and sister greet him a happy birthday. He blows the candle and slices the cake into 5 equal parts. They are all happy. I learned something from this short story. Father divided the pizza into 5 equal parts, and he gave 1 part to Richard, so it is 1/5 of the pizza. He also divided the cake into 8 equal parts and gave it to Mother. It is 1/8 of the cake, or 1/8 of 1 whole, or 8/8. This pizza is divided into 5 equal parts. It is 5/5, or 5/5, or equal to 1. The cake is also divided into 8 equal parts. It is 8/8, or 8/8, or equal to 1. English. The terms I used were bananas, apples, oranges, and grapes. These are hyponyms of fruit. Spoon, forks are hyponyms of cutlery. Cups, hyponym of mugs. Homonym. Buy. Mother buys something in the market. Mother passes by the window. Watch. I love watching TV every day. Father forgot his watch on the table. Health. Fruits and vegetables make our skin healthy and beautiful. Ilan sa mga ginagamit na condiments ay mga sumusunod: soy sauce, black pepper, salt, magic sarap seasoning, ketchup, at iba pa. Arts. Paglilimbag. Gamit ang mga kagamitan galing sa kalikasan.